Today I want to do a unboxing and review of this UV light sanitizer by Daily Top. This is an ultraviolet light sanitizer with timing and remote control. It's designed to cover areas up to 300 square feet. It helps reduce hidden bacteria, mold, dust mites, and odors reaching into soft surfaces like mattresses, sofas, carpets, and curtains. It comes with some pamphlets to tell you exactly how to use it safely. Comes with a remote control with 3 different settings: 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and 60 minutes. Here's the lamp itself. Very compact, very small, typical 2-prong plug. This is going to be ideal for season changes, high pollen times, or daily refreshing use. It does come with these safety glasses if for some reason you need to re-enter the room to protect your eyes. This is great for bedrooms, kitchens, offices. Just turn it on and leave the room. Like I said, this is very small and compact. Now I'm going to go show you how it works in a situation that you may use it. Here I am in my bedroom where my small child sleeps. What I did is I put it in a center point of the room. Here we have that remote. What I'm going to do is turn it on. You'll hear a beep, and then you pick the time that you want. This is a smaller room, so I'm going to go with the 15 minutes. It's going to give you a audible countdown for 30 seconds to leave the room. I'm going to go ahead and re-enter the room now just to show you what it looks like. Definitely be careful. Wear the provided glasses. Still try to avoid looking at it directly. But I'm going to tell you what, after one use, I smelled all the bacteria in the air burned away. It felt very refreshing, and I really like this product. Thank you for your time.